Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing a fun topic, jewelry. Whether you like real jewelry or you're fond of artificial jewelry, today we will be discussing 5 benefits of wearing artificial jewelry over real jewelry. My name is Shilpa Puri. I am a gemologist and a jewelry designer. Nowadays, people are opting for artificial jewelry more because of its affordability, and since the gold prices have gone up very high, people are preferring artificial jewelry, especially for destination weddings. The first benefit being affordability. People are loving the benefits of having artificial jewelry because of its affordability. Buying real gold diamond jewelry turns out to be very expensive. Artificial jewelry you can wear in different ways, in different varieties. Because of its affordability, you can keep your jewelry fresh by adding new pieces to your collection. The next benefit of artificial jewelry is the latest fashion trends and the variety. In gold jewelry, you get simple designs, and in artificial jewelry, you can experiment with different varieties, like from stacking rings to layered necklaces, stacking bracelets. You can play around with a lot of variety. Also, you can get jewelry matching to your outfits, as if you go in for gold, you're stuck with one statement piece. Here you can play around with different colors, different textures. In artificial jewelry, you can get your customization done and also have like your own initials or astrological sign, birth signs for artificial jewelry. The third benefit of artificial jewelry is that it is lightweight and very comfortable. Have you ever worn a heavy gold set with heavy gold bangles in a wedding and had the weight on you? Artificial jewelry is made out of lightweight material like plastic and resin, which does not weigh you down. The benefit of artificial jewelry is it's very comfortable and you feel very relaxed in a heavy function. The fourth benefit of artificial jewelry versus real jewelry is theft and loss. If you're wearing real gold jewelry, you're constantly worried about it being lost or robbed. In artificial jewelry, because of its affordability, there's no problem and you can roam around carefree, especially when you're traveling. If you're in an unknown place and if you're wearing real jewelry, you are always in stress. While wearing artificial jewelry, you can be casual about it. Nowadays, with the popularity of destination weddings, people are opting for artificial jewelry which are a little high end and look like real. If you are in a destination wedding and you're carrying real jewelry, you're constantly worried throughout the function where you have to keep your bag, etc. But and also if you keep it in the hotel locker, it always you're under great tremendous stress. If you're carrying artificial jewelry, you can be casual about it and enjoy every functions to its peak. The fifth benefit of artificial jewelry is that it's very low on maintenance and care. Real jewelry, you have to be very careful as gold and silver, especially silver, tarnishes very fast. While artificial jewelry, if kept away from perfume and water, can last you a lifetime. Real gold and jewelry is high on maintenance as you have to constantly clean, polish, as it can get the dirt can get stuck in the grooves. While artificial jewelry, you can just toss it around in your jewelry box and nothing to worry about. Gold jewelry, you have to keep it safely in a box and be very careful about it. So, these are the 5 benefits of artificial jewelry versus real jewelry. So, here we have the 5 benefits of artificial jewelry versus real jewelry. Yeah, of course, people have their own preference whether it's real or artificial, but artificial being budget friendly and easy to travel, easy to carry. Both real and artificial jewelry have their own unique advantages. But if you're someone who likes to be trendy, then artificial jewelry is a great choice. And if you have enjoyed this video, please share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. If you have any further inquiries, do get in touch with me on my WhatsApp number below. My team will get in touch with you. Thank you for watching.